Welcome back to Runman Records Design. Today we show you budget, apartment, interior design ideas. Budget apartment interior design ideas that maximize style and savings. Living in a rental apartment often means tight budgets and rules that limit big changes. You dream of a cozy, stylish space, but fear the cost or landlord issues. The good news: you can create a stunning home with smart choices that save money. This guide shares practical, high-impact budget apartment interior design ideas for renters like you. We'll cover affordable decor tips and rental design hacks that boost style without breaking the bank. Get ready to transform your space on a dime. Maximizing space and light. Foundational budget strategies. Small apartments can feel cramped fast, but simple tricks with color, mirrors, and shelves make rooms seem bigger and brighter. These foundational steps offer the most bang for your buck in budget apartment interior design. Strategic color palettes for small spaces. Light colors open up tight spots. Whites and soft pastels reflect light and push walls back visually. They turn a stuffy room into an airy retreat without spending much. Try an accent wall with cheap paint for drama. Pick one bold shade to draw the eye and add depth. This keeps the rest of the space neutral and cool. Test colors first to avoid mistakes. Grab paint swatches from a hardware store and tape them to walls at different times of day. See how sunlight changes them before buying a sample can. This way you spend less than $10 on reals. For inspiration, explore a tried color scheme to mix hues that pop without clashing. It helps create balanced looks in small areas. The magic of mirrors and lighting fixtures. Mirrors trick the eye into seeing more space. Place a big one opposite a window to bounce light around. Suddenly, your narrow hall feels twice as wide. Floor mirrors that lean against walls work best for renters. No drilling needed. They add style too, like a chic accessory. Pair one with a slim console for instant polish. Upgrade lights on the chip. Swap out old shades for thrifted ones or add plug-in sconces. No wiring required, just a nearby outlet. This soft glow makes evenings cozy without electrical fees. Designers love this hack. They use leaning mirrors in entryways to greet you with a sense of grandeur. Try it and watch your apartment glow. Utilizing vertical space with floating shelves. Walls are a free real estate in small apartments. Floating shelves lift storage off the floor and keep paths clear. They make clutter vanish while showing off your stuff. Use command strips or tension mounts for no damage installs. These hold books, plants, or decor without wall holes. Perfect for moving day. Start low with basics like spices in the kitchen. Build up to art or folded towels in the bedroom. Layer heights for interest. Short items front, tall ones back. This vertical trick saves floor space for a rack or chair. It's a core rental design hack that feels custom made. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked these budget apartment design ideas, please share with your friends and subscribe. You've been watching the Design and Decor channel, Runman Records Design.